Yo, what's up everybody? Coming at you today from Flagler Beach. Around. Now you get to see the good stuff, the sunrise, just like I'm seeing. Anyways, let you look at my ugly mug again. I was sitting here and this ocean today, this is the Atlantic Ocean. We're off Flagler. We're off Florida. We're about mid-state Florida. It's about where Flagler is, just north of Daytona Beach. Anyways, this bad boy around one more time. So the other day we came out here and this ocean was like glassy. I actually took a kayak out in the ocean. I know, me taking a kayak out in the ocean. Today, not quite so glassy. It's a beautiful still morning. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just not as glassy as it was the other day. Now it looks more like the Pacific. So far it's been pretty nice out here and calm. But I got thinking about it, and I got thinking how life is kind of like this, right? There's some days where things are really smooth and work without any issues. There's other days when it's a little more turbulent water. The waves break further out, you know? And the key that I want to tell everybody is when the waters get turbulent, look for the smooth spot in them. Don't try to fight it. If you fight it, you're just going to capsize, right? Just enjoy it. Learn to love it. And that right there will give you probably the biggest joy ever, is learning how to enjoy the ride, learning how to enjoy the game. Think about life as a game and learn how to enjoy it. When you're winning, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. As long as you don't quit playing, you're still going to win eventually because you're learning, okay? All right. Hopefully that helps. We'll talk to you guys later.